Introducing the 2023 Skoda Karoq AMB 2.0 TDI, a stunning 5-door vehicle with 115 horsepower in a sleek blue exterior. With only a 18,700 kilometers on the clock, this car is practically brand new, packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connection, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. You'll feel secure and stylish on the road. Plus, with luxury trim, roof rails and a stop and start system, this car has it all. Rest assured, with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out, call us or visit our website, Joe Norris Motors, i.e. for more information on this incredible offer.